This is the daily. This is my Lexus, and this right here is my Subaru. The reason why I did a video is so I can do kind of like an update video, kind of to show the current state that it's in. This is what it's been sitting for probably about. This needs a detail. Probably about a solid 2 in there. Ooh, would you look at that? Yeah, I'm sitting for probably about 2 months now. This is the engine bay as it sits. But today's the day. Today we're putting a brand new engine in it, and get it back up and running. The only bad thing now is I'm trying to decide if I want to keep both cars or if I should sell one, which I think I'm gonna sell one. And then the bad thing about that now is trying to decide which one is it to sell. This right here is my first car I've ever owned. I bought it stock, and I put it to where it's at, did everything that's been done to it right now. As it sits, everything that's been done to it I did, But Subaru, I drove for about a week and then it went down. So now when I have both cars running, I have to decide what I want to do. If I want to put one for sale or keep both of them. I don't know. Decisions. But yeah.